Welcome to our video here in Unionville, Toronto, just north of the city. We have water heated system going on here, as you can see, in a basement. We also have the second floor above, where we're going to be doing the dry pack here. They're going to have all the water heated systems here. They want a nice, cozy, warm basement and second floor. We're just doing a video here. I'm just showing you 35 years of experience on dry pack, leveling, tiling, preparing all these type of floors for residential or commercial. This is actually a home in process right now. So we will be putting the dry pack. You're looking at probably 3 to 4 inches here. They're most likely going to put some tile here, big or small, whatever it is we install. Could be a 4-foot by 2-foot tile or a 24 by 24. It's up to the homeowner and the builder what they want to put down. So again, give us a call if you're interested and this is the type of work or situation that you're in. 416-937-8115. 416-937-8115, and we'll come over and give you all the professional advice on your situation and give you all the suggestions and getting your project done right the first time. Okay, so any wire or heated type flooring, new heat or warm up, that kind of stuff, or water heated system like this is where we specialize, and we get the job done. Okay, look at our website at www.precisionmarbleandtile.ca. You can look at all our photos before and after. You can look at the button there with videos, and you can see how we spread the dry pack, how we start and finish it, thick or thin, we get it done. And take a look at our tile installation videos, okay? How we do it right, and get into strength, straighten it on the floor, laser level or straight, and making a tile project look sweet. Okay, take care. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and look at the website precisionmarbleandtile.ca. Thank you. Bye for now.